Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a very small circuit with a surprisingly big job. We are powering a 5mm white LED directly from 220 volts AC mains. This circuit is designed to work as a simple night light inside a power plug. Even though the input voltage is high, the LED only sees about 1.7 volts DC. The LED is the load, converting electrical energy into light. The two resistors limit the current coming from the mains voltage. High resistance values mean low current and safe LED operation. The two diodes control current direction and reduce reverse voltage stress on the LED. The basic current formula is I equals V divided by R. With tens of kiloohms resistance, the current stays in the milliamp range. This is why the LED survives direct connection to 220 volts AC. The advantages of this circuit are its very simple design and minimal components. It is extremely low cost and very compact. It is suitable for low-power night light applications. However, this circuit has some disadvantages. There is no electrical isolation from the mains voltage. It is not safe to touch or use in exposed environments. The brightness is limited and not adjustable. That's it for this simple but clever circuit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.